They're sleeping. Watch along and see how we got here at the Backyard Project. First we had to get rid of some squatter bugs with an eviction. Then we were blessed with a single mom. Watch the video and we'll take you along for the ride at the Backyard Project. One more thing that's happening around here is they got these bugs. These bugs, no matter what, even with the bug repellent, these guys just don't stop attacking you. Climb up on the ladder and it seems like at the 8 feet range, you're up there by the thousands. All right.
Moths are descending upon the Albuquerque area, and exterminators say the phones are ringing off the hook with people trying to figure out what to do about the swarming critters.
Little Lena operates like a female lioness. She is always at work guarding her home and family, and after last night's incident with the scorpion, and we wake up to more bugs, she has had it. She wants big-time payback. And she has decided to kick some more ass. Look at her trying to get to the ass-kicking of those moths. Notice Lena working the left and right jabs. This is what she was doing to the scorpion last night. Lena wants retribution, and she wants the squatting bugs out, today. Time for the wise guy to do something.
Okay. You wanna play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend.
But some of those moths refused to stop squatting and kept on coming back for more. Little Lena was at the window encouraging the wise guy to start kicking some ass, just like she does. So, the wise guy listened and threw the major finger flick, finalizing the eviction of the bugs.
Check it out. There he goes. All right. There he is on the block wall. He has something in his, I guess you call it material. Oh, he's mad. All right, let's see what he's building. All right, let's try to get this tilted. Looks more like a penthouse to me instead of a shed. Is there a cavity in there? Like, can't wait to see. All right. So this ain't a wasted trip. Grab ourselves some ladder. Be good with our time. Right? All right. Can't wait to see what the little birdie's building. All right, our little birdie friend's been with us for quite some time. Let's see what's going on. Any eggs? Oh, I can't wait to see.
It is obvious little Lena is excited for the new addition to the family. And now she gets a lot of joy looking out onto the patio and watching her new little bird friend attending to her nest.
just got back in after checking those eggs. See how much they look bigger. And look, she's back on the nest.
The new family edition faces many dangers and predators. Even with little Lena looking over the patio trying to safeguard, the nest was almost compromised by a big mean black bird. Thank goodness the fan started turning and scared that punk away.
All right. Let's see how those babies are coming along. Oh, the brown one went white.
After all the bad weather, snow, hail, monsoons, horrible wind, bug invasion, and the mean black bird, the backyard project was blessed with these 5 little baby birds. Currently, the shed roof is being prepped out for the roofing tile. We'll keep you posted on the progress on the baby birds, and we'll continue to video the bird family as long as they live in the patio. Thank you for watching the WiseGuy channel, and please subscribe and give a thumbs up.